Hey guys, so welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is a tag. I haven't done one of those in a while, but since I am still doing a reading vlog and you will see that after this video, so I do a tag. So I was tagged by Kay the Reader, and this is a book dated history tag. Yeah, definitely different. Got some drink. We're going to enjoy this. I'm going to insert pictures of the books because I am not at my regular location, so I don't have these books on me, but this should be fun anyway. So we're going to start with the first one, which is First Loves. And what book was your first love? And it will have to be Disappearing Acts by Terry McMillan. I read it. I was very young when I read it. I find that I probably shouldn't have, but it was my mom's book. I still have it. It is one of the first edition cover that I have, so I love it. But it just makes me appreciate love in a way at the time I didn't understand, but now as an adult I get it. But I did watch the movie that came out after, and I love that how chill it was. But yeah, that was my first book that I could say that I really loved at a young age. Outside of your genre, what is your favorite genre? It has to be historical fiction and romance, and both can go intertwined with different genres. You can have some mystery and throw in some romance. You can have some literary fiction. Yeah, can't speak, guys. And that could be history, and you can throw in some romance too. So I think those two can be intertwined in different genres. So I love it, and yeah. Still having if you hear chattering, that's a neighbor. Alright, catfishing. Okay, what book catfished you and was it good? And I would have to say I'm gonna go with 2020, and there's two books. The first one is The Girl with the Hazel Eye. I was not expecting it to be about more to do with historical fiction in this mystery, kind of have suspense in it. It was definitely not what I expected, but I absolutely loved it. And then also the recent one is A Tall History of Sugar. Wow, that definitely the synopsis definitely wasn't what I expected, but it was so good and I really enjoyed it. So for those two, it was a good catfish because it turned out to be much better than I thought it would be. Does size really matter? It says, what matters more to you, the length of a book or the ocean of emotion? I mean, I prefer a short book, of course, especially a short book. I would say short and sweet and don't leave you with a lot of questions. But the long book gives you a bit more satisfaction to me, because long books are you feel so accomplished when you finish it, especially if it's really good. Like The Count of Monte Cristo, when I finished that last December, oh my god, it was like the most refreshing thing to read. So I enjoyed that. Yes. I'm at my parents, guys, so here goes Mr. Father with the ice. That's okay. As long as he brings food too. You good? Hi. Alright. Out of your league. Out of your league. Name the book that is way out of your league, but you went for it anyway. The Salt Road by Nayla Hopkins. I have not reviewed it yet, guys. I read that book back in, I think it's April, and I did not count it. No, I read it back in May, I think. Either end of April or beginning of May, I can't remember. I have not counted as a book read because it went over my head and I'm still confused about a lot of things. So I don't want to say I read it when I really don't understand what I read. So I can't rate it because I'm not saying it's a bad book, I'm not saying it's a great book. It's just certain things that happen in the book where I'm just like, what? So I'm going to reread it. And I know Onyx Page, love the book. That's her favorite author, and I think I'm gonna owe it myself to read and maybe bother her a few times if you're watching this, because I need to understand what the heck I read in that book. So we're gonna go to that. Out of your league. Okay, we did that already. Kiss, marry, kill. Name 3 books that you kiss, you were married, and kill. Kiss. I'll take a hint. Danny Brown. I read it this year. It's my favorite romance so far this year. I'll kiss the heck out of Ephraim. I think that's his name. Can't remember. I will kiss out the male character. I will kiss the heck out of him. He's just such a sweetheart. Married. I'm married ethic. I could live on the wild side. I'm married ethics. Kill. That book, Queenie. That's all I need to say. The ex you just can't get out of your the ex you can't let go of. Sorry. Ooh. Guys, I just got a mosquito hit me in the middle of the damn day. These New York mosquitoes are brutal. What book do you keep going back to? I don't keep going back to, but I feel like I can never get over the book because it is my most watched review, which is Queenie. And because it's most watched, it's literally every week I get someone, a few people will go watch a video or leave a comment. So I can't get over the book because people like the review. But it's one of those books can't get out of my system for some reason. Okay, The Bad Boy or Girl. So this one, it says, name the book that is the bad boy, bad girl on your shelf, and that would be, I'm gonna go current because I have a lot, but I'm gonna go with 2020, and it's gonna be the Butterfly. Yeah, the Meek or my Messiah, they're still bad. So yeah. Friend Zone. Name the book that you know will be a good read, but you're kind of into other books for now. I don't really have one right now because right now I've been really good on my books that I bought this year. I bought several books, and quite a lot of them I am still actually no, what am I saying? Sorry guys, I am distracted by these mosquitoes. So quite a few of them I've read probably 8% of the books I purchased this year, because I've been really serious about buying books that I'm going to read right away versus just buying books just to put on my shelf. I'm not doing that this year, so I've been proud of myself. So for this question, I really don't have that. I have a few books that I know is on the way, and there's about 3 books that I want to finish. They're mainly classics, and I'm going to finish those before the other 2 comes in, because I know the 2 come in. I'm excited about reading them. You definitely would know because they'll be on reading vlogs in the future. But yeah, but that's it. So it said 3 people. I can't think of 3 people right now. Maybe Baha Reed might be into tags. Todd the Librarian, I know he loves tags, so he might actually do this one because I don't think he's done this one. But I'll definitely think of a 3rd one and put them in the description. But if you haven't done it, it should be fun. It's something, you know, I think it goes with the summer theme. So yeah, I am going to end this here because another neighbor banging. There we go. So anyway, thanks for watching guys, and have a good day. Bye. Yeah, that happened.